To reassemble the feed block, we first fit the bottom pawl in place with the bottom pawl spring, it's like a butterfly spring, and the split pin. That goes in and through the holes in the spring and through the other side. We then have to assemble the levers. So the slide, we have the top pawl spring fits in there, and then we have the pawls that fit either side, and they fit onto the bits on the pointing out bits there. You have to depress the spring to get that on, but that all goes in. They then fit in the groove, like so. Then we have the top lever. The bottom lever goes through. Sometimes these are really stiff, but this one's quite good. Just have to get that lined up, and then the split pin in place.